Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials, the show that explores the latest trends and strategies in inbound marketing. I'm Aidan, and today we're going to talk about the importance of live interactions in the inbound methodology. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. In the digital age, where technology dominates our lives, it's easy to forget the power of genuine human connection. However, in the world of inbound marketing, live interactions are crucial to building trust, fostering relationships, and driving business growth. Building trust. The first reason why live interactions are important in the inbound methodology is the ability to build trust. In today's online landscape, consumers are bombarded with information, and it's becoming increasingly difficult for them to distinguish between genuine offers and empty promises. By incorporating live interactions into your marketing strategy, whether through webinars, live chats, or even face-to-face meetings, you provide an opportunity for your prospects to see the real people behind your brand, ask questions, and get immediate answers. This personal touch helps to establish trust and credibility, making it more likely for them to engage with your business. Fostering relationships. The second reason live interactions are essential in the inbound methodology is their ability to foster relationships. Inbound marketing is all about building meaningful connections with your audience, and nothing can replace the impact of a real-time conversation. Live interactions allow you to understand your prospects' pain points, address their concerns, and tailor your solutions to their specific needs. By engaging in a two-way dialogue, you create a sense of empathy and establish a stronger emotional connection. This connection goes beyond just selling a product or service. It's about building long-term relationships with your customers. Driving business growth. Finally, live interactions play a significant role in driving business growth. When prospects have the opportunity to interact with your team live, they're more likely to move through the buyer's journey and become paying customers. Live demos, consultations, or even interactive events give you the chance to showcase the value of your offerings in real time. You can demonstrate how your product or service solves their pain points, provide live examples, and address objections on the spot. This not only increases the conversion rates, but also accelerates the sales cycle, leading to faster revenue growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, while technology has revolutionized the way we do marketing, it's essential not to underestimate the power of live interactions in the inbound methodology. Building trust, fostering relationships, and driving business growth are all enhanced through real-time conversations. So, make sure to incorporate live interactions into your inbound marketing strategy and harness the power of genuine human connection. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of Inbound Tutorials. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you succeed in the world of inbound marketing. I am Aidan with Optimark Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority, and I'll see you next time.